Today, I want to talk about one of the most powerful habits in the world. A habit that can change your life, improve your future, make you confident, and open thousands of opportunities. This habit is simple but very rare. This habit is not expensive. This habit does not need any special talent. The habit is educating yourself every single day. When we hear the word education, many people think about schools, teachers, exams, marks, and books. But the real meaning of education is bigger than that. Education is the process of improving yourself. Education is learning something new that makes you wiser, better, and more capable. Education can happen anywhere. You can learn at home, in a bus, in a small room, from your phone, from your book, from your video, or from your conversation. Education is not limited to age. You can learn at 5, at 20, at 40, or even at 80. If you have the desire to grow, you can educate yourself every day. Why is daily education so important? Because the world is changing fast. New skill, new technologies, new opportunities, and new ideas come every year. If you stay with old knowledge, you will fall behind. But if you keep learning every day, you will stay ahead. You will understand the world better. You will make smarter decisions. You will become more confident. You will become more valuable in your job or business. Let me start with a simple idea. Imagine two people. Both are the same age. Both come from similar backgrounds. Both have normal jobs. But one person spends 15 minutes a day learning something new. The other person does not. The first person reads, listens, watches educational content, and practice small skills daily. The second person scrolls aimless or waste time. After 1 year, the difference starts to appear. The first person speaks better, thinks clear, and works smarter. After 3 years, the difference becomes bigger. The first person grows in career, earns more, and gets more opportunities. After 10 years, the difference is hug. The first person has built a better life simply because of daily learning. This is the power of educating yourself every day. Now let us talk about how you can develop this habit easily. Many people think they need to study for hours, but that is not true. You only need a small, consistent learning. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can change your brain. You can choose one skill or one subject. It can be English speaking, communication, mindset, money management, fitness, technology, or even a practical skill like cooking or design. The topic does not matter. What matters is consistency. Yes, what matters is consistency. Every day, learning is like watering a plant. 1 day of water does not change anything. But when you water it daily, slowly the plant grows. At first you do not notice, but later you see strong roots, green leaves, and beautiful results. Your mind is the same. You might not feel smarter in 1 day. You might not feel confident in 2 days. But after 1 month, after 3 months, after 6 months, you start to feel proud. You start to see change. You start to believe in yourself. Another important thing about daily education is that it builds discipline. Discipline is one of the strongest powers in life. A disciplined person can achieve anything when you educate yourself daily. You are training your brain. You are telling your brain, I am improving every day. I take my growth seriously. This creates a positive identity. You start seeing yourself as a learner, a winner, and a responsible person. This identity changes your behavior. Let us understand something powerful. Education is not only for success in jobs, education also improves your life quickly. When you learn new things, your conversation become better. Your relationships improve because you understand emotions, communication, and human behavior better. Your financial life improves because you learn how to save, invest, and manage money. Your health improves because you learn how to create good habits. Exercise properly. Exercise properly. And build mindset. Education touches every part of life. Many people ask, what should I learn? The answer is simple. Learn whatever helps you grow. Learn whatever supports your dreams. Learn whatever makes you better than yesterday. Some people want to improve communication. Some want confidence. Some want business knowledge. Some want better mindset. Some want fitness. Some want creativity. You can learn multiple things slowly. The speed does not matter, the direction matters. Now let me share an important concept. The brain likes learning. When you learn something new, the brain releases chemicals that make you feel good. That is why learning is a natural happiness source. But because of distractions, we ignore this natural happiness. Social media, notifications, negativity, and entertainment steal your time. Yes, steal your time. They give short-term pleasure, but no long-term growth. When you replace some of that time with learning, you will feel more peaceful and productive. Let us talk about simple ways to educate yourself daily. If you like reading, read a 5 pages of a good book. If you do not like reading, listen to audiobooks or podcasts. If you like watching, watch educational videos. If you like writing, write your learning every day. If you like practice skills daily. You do not need perfection. You only need to show up every day. If you want to improve your English, learn 5 new words daily. Practice speaking 5 minutes daily. If you want a better mindset, watch or listen to learning content daily. If you want to grow in career, learn skills your industry needs. If you want better communication, study how people talk, how they express ideas, how they listen, and how they present themselves. Everything is learnable. You do not need a coach for everything. You do not need a teacher for everything. The world is full of free and affordable learning tools. You have access to online courses, tutorials, books, videos, podcasts, articles, and AI tools. You can learn anytime, anywhere. You just need the desire and discipline. One common mistake people make is thinking they are too busy. But even the busiest people can find 15 minutes a day. You can learn while walking, while traveling, while eating, or before sleeping, instead of wasting time in gossip or useless scrolling. Use that time to grow. Your future self will thank you for this. Daily education also protects you from fear. People fear things they do not understand. Then you learn, your fear reduce. When you learn finance, you fear money less. When you learn communication, you fear speaking less. When you learn mindset, you fear failure less. When you learn skills, you fear career challenge less. Awareness kills fear. Education creates awareness. Another benefit of daily education is decision making. A person who learns every day makes wiser choice. They choose better habits, better people, better opportunity, and better lifestyle. Better decision lead to better life. This is way education is not just knowledge. Education is life improvement. Let us imagine a different example. Imagine your mind as a room. If you do not learn, the room becomes dark and dusty. But when you learn daily, you open windows, allow light to enter, clean the space, and bring fresh energy. Your thoughts become clear. Your ideas become brighter. Your ability to think improves. There is also another advantage. People respect learners. When someone sees that you are consistently improving yourself, they trust you more, they admire you, they listen to you. This increases your social value. Whatever it is, your family, friends, colleges, or audience, everyone appreciates a person who values learning. Sometimes people complain that their life is not changing. They say they feel stuck. They say they want a better future but do not know how. The answer is smile. Start learning daily. Educating yourself is the first step to changing any situation. Knowledge gives clarity. Clarity gives confidence. Confidence gives action. Action gives results. Results give freedom. Some people think that learning should be fun. But the truth is, learning becomes fun only after consistency. In the beginning, learning might feel boring or difficult because your brain is not used to it. But if you push yourself for 7 days, 14 days, or on month, you start enjoying it. It becomes a habit. Your brain starts craving learning. This is how growth feels. Let us talk about curiosity. Curiosity is the root of education. When you ask questions like why, how, when, what, and what if, your mind becomes more active. Curiosity opens your imagination. Curiosity builds innovation. Every successful person in history become successful because they were curious. They wanted to learn more, understand more, and grow more. Educating yourself every day also helps you recognize opportunities. Many people miss opportunities because they do not understand them. They do not have the knowledge to identify them. But a person who learns daily can spot opportunities quickly. They can make better decisions. They can take advantage of situations that others ignore. Education also builds patience. When you learn something daily, you realize growth takes time. You understand that results do not come instantly. This understanding reduces frustration. Life becomes calmer. How, let us talk about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. When you educate yourself every day, you become comfortable with mistakes. You understand that mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are feedback. Mistakes help you grow. A person who fears mistakes never learns. A person who learns daily becomes fearless. Another important concept is self-awareness. When you learn daily, you begin to understand your strengths and weaknesses. You understand what you are good at and what you need to improve. Self-awareness is a superpower. It helps you make smart life decisions. Let us talk about one powerful idea. Education yourself every day, even when no one is watching. Some people only work hard when someone is watching them. But real growth happens in private. When you sit alone and learn, you shape your future. The world will only see the results, not the hard work. Daily learning also keeps your mind young. Age. Age does not matter. Your brain stays active, flexible, and healthy when you learn new things. This protects you from mental decline. It keeps you energetic and sharp. Let us discuss how daily education helps in building habits. When you learn every day, you naturally from routines. You begin to manage time better, you become more organized. These habits spread to other parts of your life. You start waking up early, planning your day, eating better, exercising more, and thinking clearly. Learning becomes a foundation for all other habits. Some people believe that they need motivation to learn. But the truth is, motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. If you depend only on motivation, you will not be consistent. But if you make learning part of your routine, you will continue even on low energy days. This is the secret of successful people. Now let us talk about something important. Not everything you learn will give immediate benefits, but everything you learn adds value to your life. Somebody might be not today, might be not tomorrow, but one day. Knowledge helps you. Life is unpredictable. You never know which skill or information will help you in which situation. That is where learning daily is an investment, and this investment gives the best returns. There is another important point. Educating yourself every day makes you independent. Instead of depending on others for answers, you find answers yourself. Instead of waiting for someone to teach you, you teach yourself. This builds confidence and maturity. Educating yourself also helps you overcome negativity. When you fill your mind with learning, there is no space left for negative thoughts. Education gives you purpose, direction, and positivity. You start focusing on growth instead of problems. Let us talk about the environment. Your environment affects your learning. If you surround yourself with negative or lazy people, your desire to learn decreases. But if you surround yourself with positive, hardworking, and curious people, your desire to learn increases. Choose your environment wisely. Let us discuss the importance of reflection. Learning is not complete unless you reflect. After learning something, think about how you can use it in your life. Reflection converts knowledge into wisdom. Now let us talk about the rule of goals. Goals help you choose what to learn. If you want to do a better job, learn skills related to your industry. If you want better health, learn about fitness and nutrition. If you want better communication, learn about speaking and listening. Goals give direction to your learning. One thing you must remember is that comparison skills growth. You do not compare your learning speed with others. Everyone has their own path. Learn at your speed. What matters is consistency, not competition. Let us talk about creativity. When you learn new things daily, your mind connects different ideas. This increases your creativity. Creative people are valuable in every field because they bring new ideas, new solutions, and new energy. Some people think that they need the perfect time to learn, but there is no perfect time. The best time is now. If you start today, you will be ahead of the person who starts tomorrow. If you keep waiting, you will never begin. Another important point is that learning builds humanity. When you learn more, you realize how much you do not know. This makes you modest and open mindset. Humanity makes relationships better and reduce conflicts. Educating yourself every day also increase your emotional intelligence. You understand feelings, reactions and behaviors better. You become more patient, more understanding and more compassionate. Emotional intelligence is a key to success in both personal and professional life. Now let us talk about a big benefit. Educating yourself daily protects your dreams. Many dreams fail because people do not have knowledge. But when you educate yourself, you gain skills and strategies to protect and grow your dreams. Another important benefit is in become. People who learn daily usually learn more because they have better skill and knowledge. They become more valuable in the workspace, they perform better, they get promotions, raises and opportunities. Educating yourself daily also improves your discipline regarding time. You learn to use time wisely, you stop wasting hours on things that do not matter. You understand the value of minutes. Let us talk about comfort zone. The comfort zone is the biggest enemy of growth. When you learn something new every day, you slowly push yourself but out of your comfort zone. You become braver, you become stronger, you become ready for challenge. Daily education also gives you clarity about your future. You begin to understand what you want, what you do not want and where you want to go. Without learning, life feels confusing. With learning, life feels meaningful. Let me now talk about an important reality. The world respects knowledgeable people. Knowledge gives you power, but this power is gentle. It does not learn. It does not harm anyone. It only helps you rise. It helps you guide others. It helps you influence positively. Now imagine your life after 1 year of daily learning. You wake up with confidence. You speak clearly. You think smartly. You make good decisions. You take opportunities. You control your money better. You protect your health. You choose your habits wisely. You become the best version of yourself. This version of you is possible and it starts with a simple decision. The decision to educate yourself every single day. Let us end with your final thoughts. Your life is your responsibility. No one else can change it for you, but you can change it through learning. Knowledge is the light that removes darkness. Learning is the path that takes you from where you are to where you want to be. Educate yourself every day, not for school, not for marks, not for applies, but for your growth, for your future, for your dreams. Because when you grow, everything in your life grows with you.